guys, I'm Ragini and today I'm going to unbox my pen. 50 rupees pen which is named as RoboMax. So, I'm in fifth and I've got pens in my class fifth. So now I am unboxing it, my new pen. So let's open. See, now I'm opening it. Ooh. Let's close. See, this is RoboMax. Rorito RoboMax. See, future now. This is RoboMax. Here it is written, if you see, R at the top. Now I'm going to open it. See, this is my pen. See. So, as you know, T-Max pens are also nice. They are also very nice. But I like them and don't like them. Half everything. Because my middle finger has a swelling. When I born, there was the swelling. I don't know why. So, that's why I don't use it many times. But I have only one, black. Because my sister gave me that pen and she said that its lid is broken, so half broken. So can you manage with this? I thought I should take it, and the ink was full. I asked her that is the ink full or half or finished. She said no, I have now only put it the ink in the pen. So now you have seen my pen and now I'm going to show you my new pouch. See, this is my new pouch. See, and now let's open the zip and let's see what is in my pouch. See, the first thing is my pens. This is my black pen and now let's see the ink of it. And here I've written my name, but it is not very visible. I think now you can see it. I've written Ragini, but it is little bit rubbed. See, now I am seeing the ink. Oh, I think that they have painted the outside or inside portion, that they thought that we will think that the ink is full. So they have painted it or done something. So I keep two black pens. Second one is T-Max, as I've told you the story. See, now let's see the ink. See, this is the full ink. See, it is little bit broken, but I can manage tightly. So now I'm going to show you my blue pens. First I've shown you that this is my RoboMax, and now this is my blue pen. I've here also written Ragini, but it is little bit rubbed. I need to write again. I've written it with a permanent marker, and now let's see its ink. I thought that this will also be painted. Now see, this ink is till here. See, Now these are my pens, and now my entire things left. See, now I keep a ball pen with me every time in my pouch, because in my practice notebook, as register, we call it register also, in my spiral register, I write with a ball pen, because I have many ball pens with me. So I thought that I should write with a ball pen in the practice notebook. It is no worries. So I have my ball pen. It is Hauser Fluidic Aquaflom. So now I'm going to show you my entire things. I keep a sketch pen with me, as the teacher don't have a sketch pen, so she asks for a sketch pen, and every day I sit on the first seat, so I can very fastly take the sketch pen, black sketch pen, and give her. So now my next thing is a pencil. I have a lead pencil. See, this is my lead pencil. I have only one lead pencil, and this is my another pencil. What is its name? X1 Extra Dark Super Dark Dom's Sharp Minds. So I have sharpened it before I made this video. So you can see here, some words have been sharpened. So now my another pencil. This is my another pencil, and its name is Plus HB2 Link India. So now I have two sharpeners. One for my crayons. This is for my crayons, and this is for my pencil. And now I have a scale. As I told you, now I'm telling you that why I have named my every of the stationery things, because my one day my T-Max has gone with someone else, and there was not, my name was not there. So I told my teacher. My teacher said to everyone that from now, from tomorrow, there should be your name on your every stationery thing, because if your name will not be there, your things will and anyone else can take your things, because your name will be not there. So no anyone can say this is my scale, this is my scale, and the fights can be. So the last thing of my pouch, no, not the last, I have two things more. See, this is a protractor. We call it D also, but in my language we call it a protractor. So because my chapter is geometry, in which we need a protractor, as you know. So my last thing in this zip is a very small eraser. This was like a capsule, but when I rubbed from it, the capsule has been broke. So now this zip is now empty. Now I am going to open my another zip. See, in this zip I have a Febistick, and here also I have written my name. It is also little bit rubbed. See, it is used a little bit, only till here. Oh my god. And the last thing of my pouch is my Fevicol. When you see my Fevicol, you must be thinking that why I have taped it. Because one day, I don't know how, my Fevicol has been a crack from here, and when I gave to my friend, my Fevicol has fallen down, and some of the Fevicol has fallen there. So I thought that this is my friend's Fevicol, because he has also given, and his Fevicol has also been fall. So I thought that it is my friend's Fevicol, and I worried nothing. So then I gave my friend a Fevicol. Then I was minding the class, and then she said, "Ragini, your Fevicol has been broke from here, and I've not done it. I think that it was from before you gave me." So I said, "Okay, no worries. I'll put a tape on the big tape here." So now you have been thinking that why am I not opening this zip? Because this is only for show. I've opened. Now see. This is here only. See, this zip. It was already like this. See. This was only for show. So now I am keeping my things back. And friends, as you know, in the last of my video, I should write with my new pen named Robomax. So now I'm going to write with my new pen Robomax. First I'm closing it. Now I'm going to write with my pen. So this is my notebook, and now I'm going to write with it. See, here I'm going to write. See friends, I have written. Now friends, I'm going to tell you that what have I written. I've written, my name is Ragini, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye. I love you all.